Y'all, having flavored oils in your bag of cooking tricks can enhance any meal. And right now, I'm gonna teach you how to make a lemon-infused oil. I may have made an infused oil on Top Chef. I'm just saying. And I may have won that challenge. So you wanna start with a very light or neutral oil. That is really important. I'm using sunflower oil. So we have a cup into the pan, low heat. And now all I'm going to do is slice my lemons very thinly. If I'm using lemon, that means you can use oranges, you can use limes, you can use grapefruit. So don't be limited. Pick your flavors, make it your own so that you will love it. The lemons just go right into the oil. Now I'm using this for dessert, but you could use this for anything. I hear you. I know somebody out there is thinking about their fish. I know they're thinking about their chicken. Ooh, do you want it on pasta? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. All right, after 15 minutes, we are ready to strain. Sur tip. All these lemons, you can dry them out in the oven at a low heat. They can be a nice garnish. You can put them with fish, you can put them with chicken. And here you have it, lemon infused oil. It's so easy, right?